In the city of Eldamir, it was said that every soul was bound to another by an unseen force. But in a room of 1,000 dancers, how could anyone see the truth? 1,000 lights blurred into one, 1,000 stories lost in the crowd. But the watcher knew the secret. To understand the truth, you must look at one pair at a time. Their light was not magic, it was a law. Close, and the donor's glow would fade as the acceptor's burned bright. Far, and the donor would shine alone. By tracking their light, the watcher could measure the space between them. A map of their dance written in fluorescence. The connection between them was not just a bond, it was a key. Attached to the molecule, their light became a story of its shape, its motion, its very soul. Where it bent, their light flickered. Where it stretched, their bond grew taut. For the first time, the unseen could be watched. The unknowable understood. And so the watcher proved what the world had forgotten. The truth is not found in the crowd, but in the single spark. That light is not just seen, it is measured. And that even the unseen can be known, if you know how to look.